This is going to be my first video. So I think I finally made a decision. I bought an enclosed trailer. So I plan on converting this to a camper. Take a look inside. So this is a 5x8 camper. It's about 5'7" tall. It has the RV door, the V-nose, has a roof vent, and the barn door, single barn door. Has LEDs for the brake lights. This is a 2020. I don't even know what brand it is, I forget. Covered wagon trailer. I think he said it's about 900 pounds total weight. So it's a 5,000 pound axle. So should be pretty good there. I'm going to be pulling it with a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing video. Wow, this is a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. To chalk it and lock it in 2 easy steps. Well, we will see how easy it is. Now the challenging part. Trying to get it out of this thing. Alright guys, so chalk it and lock it. We're going to put it on the trailer. So we have the blockhead deadbolt on the hitch. We also have to have the Trimax chalk and lock it on the tire. Locked, pretty good to go. I need to get a lock for this, but it should be fine. I live in a pretty safe neighborhood.
I've been filming the closing to this video about 15 times now. I have listened to and watched the videos over and over again. The last one was about a minute long, and I realized I said and about 13 or 14 times. I never knew I said it that much, so I'm going to make an effort to not say it as much.
The rest of this week is going to... I just did it. I work the rest of this week. I have Friday off. I have Monday off for Labor Day. So I will have a long weekend. I will be going to the tax collector to pay the taxes, get the title switched over in my name, and I'll also be going to Lowe's to get building supplies to start building out the trailer. So I'm really excited for that. I've never built anything like this before. I have built a fence in my backyard, and you know, how hard could it be? So this should be interesting. Hit the subscribe button and follow along so you can go along this journey with me. We'll see you in the next video.